together some Mother's Day gift baskets, shall we? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yasmin and I make all kinds of DIY videos here on my channel. And for today, I want to put together 3 Mother's Day gift baskets, and I just figured I will share with you guys the items that I found and the process of putting these together, just to give you some ideas to inspire you to do the same for your mom or the mother figure in your life. For this year, I kind of wanted to do something different, something new, and I'm always looking for ways to make these gift baskets or any gifts that I give just a little bit more personalized, a little bit more curated, and a little bit more interesting. So my idea for this year was to mix old and new to create the perfect personalized gift baskets for 3 special moms in my life. And if you're watching, please stop right now, because this video will be going up before Mother's Day and I don't want to ruin the surprise. So you can watch the video after you receive your gift basket. But anyways, I have thrifted and found some very specific and special items for each of these 3 individuals. And so I'm gonna mix those with a couple of new items that I know they will really love and appreciate. So let's go ahead and jump right into the first basket. All right, so for the first basket, I found this really beautiful wall hanging planter at a flea market. And on the back, it says it's from Peru, but it just looks so beautiful. It looks very hand painted with all of these flowers, and it has like a little spot that you can hang it from, either like with nails or like a little rope. And I just thought this would be perfect for this specific person because they do love plants, and it's such a cute way to display it on the wall. And then at the same booth, I found this little mini hanging planter, and I just could not pass up on it. I mean, you can't really put anything too big in here, maybe just like a decorative faux flower or something, but it just was too cute not to pair it with this other one. And I don't know where this is from, but again, it's just really beautiful with the design on it. So those were the first kind of items for this basket. And then the next one is a frame, also for the same person who's a plant lover. Love you, Mom. And so it has like a little watering can, like potted plants, and it's just so cute. And obviously I'm going to pair this with a pretty picture to gift it to her. I still have to do that part, but I just thought this was perfect. Next item that I found is this cute little jewelry box, and it has such a cute little intricate design on the sides and the top. And I saw many jewelry boxes at the flea market, but this one is special because it has like a little carving on the inside, and I didn't see any other ones like this. So I just love this so much, and I think it's so special and so cute, so I had to pick it up. And it pairs perfectly with the new gift that I'm including in this basket, which is jewelry from Ana Luisa, which is kindly sponsoring today's video. If you guys have been watching for a while, you know that I'm a huge fan of Ana Luisa, and I have my own favorite pieces from them. I'm actually wearing the Ash double earrings, and these are my like favorite everyday statement earrings. I love them so much. And I'm also pairing them with this necklace that has kind of the same design. And so I wanted to give my mom a pair that kind of was similar in design, because I know she kind of appreciates that. So the first piece that I've picked up for her is this kind of chain link bracelet, and I know that she will love this design. And it's just so beautiful, so elegant and timeless, and it literally would go with everything. And it's perfect because it comes with like extra links in case you need to like resize it or anything. But I know that my mom has like a similar wrist size to me, so I think this is gonna fit perfectly for her. For the next item that I think is gonna pair really nicely with that bracelet is this pair of earrings. These are the Eden earrings. Then they have kind of like a similar chain linky design on them with jewels inside. And so I don't know, these are just like so beautiful. Again, I think she's really going to love these, and pairing these together. And I'm so excited for both of us to kind of rock our Ana Luisa jewelry pieces together. So that's going to be perfect. Ana Luisa's jewelry pieces are so high quality, and I know this from having several pieces from them. And the beautiful thing about it is that you don't have to break the bank to have nice jewelry pieces that are high quality, they look elegant, and you can find any piece for anyone, your mom figure, honestly anyone in your life, starting from just $39. And you get free shipping, which is perfect, and it ships really fast. So you still have 2 weeks till Mother's Day to shop for the perfect little jewelry piece for your mom that you know she's going to love. So make sure that you go browse their website, because I know you're gonna find something for that special person in your life. And they have a lot of these beautiful pieces on sale. So it's just the perfect time to shop for a gift, or honestly for yourself too on the side. And so make sure that you check my link in the description box below to go and check out all of your designs and see all of their amazing discounts and shop for this upcoming Mother's Day. As you can tell by the theme of this video, I actually don't have a theme, specific theme for each of these baskets. It's just more items that are curated for that person. So if you are looking for a more kind of themed basket gift ideas, I actually did a video on this a couple of years ago. I made 4 themed specific DIY gift baskets. I will link that below for you as well, so make sure to go check that out. All right, so now it's time to actually put all of these together in a basket. So I have this basket that was also thrifted. I think this was from like a thrift store that I bought a while ago, and it's gonna fit everything for this basket perfectly. So I'm actually going to first lay down some of this like decorative paper fillers at the bottom just to kind of add some cushion to it. I'm just going to kind of lay these out in a presentable form. This baby planter might have to go on the side here. Again, I will need to get a picture printed for this frame, but I will do that later. And I'm gonna let my mom actually put her jewelry pieces in the jewelry box. I'm thinking of like adding maybe like some bows to these handles just to kind of make it a little cuter than it already is. Perfect, look how cute that looks. Just a little bow. I know bows have been kind of trending for a little while here. Okay, so that's our first basket, and I think it looks so cute. It's so unique, and you know what? Nobody else is going to have the same gift basket with the same items, because they're just very special and very unique, and I love that about this basket, and I know that my mom will love and appreciate it. All right, so let's talk about the second Mother's Day gift basket, and item that kind of started it all is this cute little cookie dish cake stand, and I found this also at the flea market, and it has such a cute little like floral design all the way around, and it says that it's from England, and I don't know, I just love this, and this person loves baking, so I thought this was kind of like the perfect little gift. All right, so that's our first item, and it kind of inspired the rest of this basket in an unexpected way. And so the next item that I found at the flea market is this little vase that has kind of a similar like color palette, like florals, and it has like the gold detailing on it, and I thought it was so cute and so perfect, just like a little vase. You can put like a decorative flower or something in here, and I just thought it was so cute. And then on the same note, I found this candlestick holder that again has like the beautiful like intricate florals. It has like the gold rim detailing. These were all from different booths at the flea market, and I just love how it all came together, and it was perfect. So the item that is new though in this basket is this birdie safety device. Honestly, every woman needs one of these, especially if you're out and about a lot, and it's basically like an alarm siren system that goes right into your keychain. I have one myself. I have gifted these to my friends. Let's now put it all together in the actual basket. So I have, again, another thrifted basket. This was also, I think, from the thrift store a while ago. So I have it right here, and I am going to use the same kind of filler for all of the baskets just to kind of add some cushion. And since I'm gifting a candlestick holder, I'm actually going to pair it with these two candlesticks. I have a couple of these in my stash, so I'm just gonna kind of use a ribbon around this, and maybe I'll add a ribbon on the sides here and make it really cute and special. All right, that's one bow. So cute. You guys, add bows to things. All right, and there's our second Mother's Day gift basket, and it's so cute, and I know the recipient is going to love it. On to the third Mother's Day gift basket. The first item that I have that I thrifted from also a flea market is this little brass kitty, and I think she is so cute. I did use a little bit of rub and buff on her to kind of give her a little bit of shine and revive her. And the person who will be receiving this has 2 cats and they're cat lovers, so I think this will be very special and perfect. The next item is this thrifted piece as well. I think this was from a thrift store, and I think it's like a decorative piece. It comes with like a stand on the back. So what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna turn it into a picture frame actually also, and I will pair this with the perfect little picture that I still yet to print with this to gift, and I think it'll be really cute, and it kind of matches like the brass kind of vibes that we're going for here. And the new item for this basket is this little mini portable fan. I thought this was so genius, and it's like rechargeable. You can charge it with like a portable, you know, battery bank as well. And I think this is like perfect for like traveling in the car, just like it's very small, literally. I'm not gonna take it out of the packaging, but it's literally handheld, tiny, and it fits perfectly in like your purse or your car or like anywhere. And I think this will also be a good gift for the recipient of this basket. So, and I got it in a pink color, but they have like different colors as well. I will link to it down in the description box. But yeah, these are the gifts for our third basket. So let's go ahead and put it together. I have, again, a thrifted basket from a thrift store, and it has like a little like braided detailing, which I think is really cute. And you guessed it, I will add some ribbon to this basket as well, because why not? All right, that's it for our third basket, and honestly, look how much zhuzh this bow adds. I love it so much, and I hope that the recipient loves it as well. All right, you guys, so these are the 3 DIY gift baskets that I wanted to share with you today, and I just hope that this inspires you to find items that are unique and special to gift for Mother's Day or any other occasion, honestly. And I just love this mix of old and new, and you know, thrifting is one of my favorite things to do, so that was fun to kind of go treasure hunting for these special people in my life. And again, thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring today's video. You guys, make sure you go click on my link down in the description box to browse all of their amazing jewelry pieces so you can shop the perfect piece for Mother's Day. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.